Flow, yeah, I got it. Your girl looking at me cause I am it. Alright, well, my name is Kobbs, the art, hip-hop, Afro-pop artist from Ghana.
Flow, yeah, I got it. Your girl looking at me cause I am it. You saying on the track cause I ran it. The car's all black and it's tinted.
I've been doing music for over 10 years. I took a long break and just go back to it.
You fellas all they really do is cap. G's on socials, but it's on the chat. Now no cut it, so nim shit.
After I realized from a young age, my friends and I, we just started doing music. Eventually, I figured it was my thing, so I go along with it.
All red like a chapter. Cussing fear and pain is kum cha-cha. Lyrically heavily in arm who shot ya. You know before you get classy.
I usually get the beat first, play it for a while, just walk around it, and the first thing that hits my mind, I go with it.
Lottery books on your Mac, get set. When you're ready, let's go. And then
my favorite rapper of all time will be Jay-Z then.
sing, cry, yeah,
Locally, I'll go with Joe B.
white trade, yeah, white trade, yeah. Oh, one day, white trade, yeah. And then.
Being in the studio, the whole creative process, working with people, learning through it, and being able to convey a message through it without really taking responsibility for the things you say.
Baby, girls them sugar and baby time so that my man boy share boy see time me 8-pack fly boy got stacks don't care. Said I quit rap got
Having to deal with the people outside the industry, basically like dealing with people, being out there, people trying to figure out what you're up to today and what you're not doing.
boy I'm only speaking the truth. It's off the top like a coupe. Girls come and go like a loop. Got your niggas all licked like soup. Oh no.
I'm passionate about the kind of music I do because I get to say what's on my mind, put a message across, things that on a normal day I can't just say in a conversation to someone. I get to put it out there and it sounds like just something I created. It might be about myself personally, so I get to say it freely and everybody gets to think, okay, he's just making music.
And then yeah, bad bro, yeah, bad bro. Pande was sing, cry, yeah, bad bro. Oh, one day white trade, yeah, white trade, yeah, white trade, yeah.
I really just went back to the studio with Snakes and Ladders and I decided just to put something together that shows my strength when it comes to rap and also something people can relate with.
White trade, yeah, oh, one day white trade, yeah.
Oh yeah. Kobbs, the art. I'm do this all day, every day. Yeah. Okay. Flow, yeah, I got it. Your girl looking at me cause I am it. You saying on this track cause I ran it. The car's all black and it's tinted. I don't see nobody, I'm a bat. Yes, I'm flash, it's like that. This new fellas, all they really do is cap. G's on socials, but these fellas wanna chat. Now no cut it, so nim shit. Joe Frazier, trying to shit. Flow the better out Jack, trying to me. The whole time one fade, yo, but it. Boy, ha, just a laughter. Got you fellas all red like a chapter. Cussing fear and pain is kum cha-cha. Lyrically heavily, I'm armed, who shot ya. You know go feed, get class, you be rasta. Literally a speak ass, Motown bastards. But in that light, me I see light. Me or daddy, I can't be shook. When I step so clean, see I made you look. Sure, rat attached paper cause a lottery books. On your mat, get set, my ready, let's go. And there, yeah, bad bro. In Pane was sing, cry, yeah, bad bro. Oh, one day, white trade, yeah. Oh, white trade, yeah. Oh, white trade, yeah. Oh, one day, white trade, yeah. And there, yeah, bad bro. In Pane was sing, cry, yeah, bad bro. Oh, one day, white trade, yeah. Oh, white trade, yeah. Oh, white trade, yeah. Okay, Vroom vroom, tell me drive you crazy. CNBC, yo, gonna friend me, baby. Girls, them sugar and baby timing. So that my men boy, share boys, timing. APAC, fly boy, got stacks, don't care. Said I queer rap, got build no status rap thing. I start keep Charlie had to do chair way back then time. Charlie asked the boys bread. Might be the goat, you done gotta hear mad. Flow for flow, you done gotta go there. Fella, I'm you two to get a stable and chair. To say Kobbs the best and I can't care. But I'm only speaking the truth. It's off the top like boys come and go like a loop. Got you fellas all licked like soup. Oh no, I feel when who's a boy no. Oh yeah, don't see me down. That all these little fellas started run. It no be dates rush, but I swear right in me off. And I hate when all these boys start to act tough. You are under me and you ain't even chased it. I'm on my M dot, no fear. I'm in my own lane, no peer. Tell them old folks, I'm right back here. And there, yeah, bro. And Pane was saying cry, yeah, bro. Oh, one watch it, yeah. Watch it, yeah. Oh, one watch it, yeah. And there, yeah, bro. And Pane was saying cry, yeah, bro. Oh, one watch it, yeah. Watch it, yeah. Watch it, yeah. Oh, one watch it, yeah.
Like wheels on 'em.
Kobbs the art. Let's get it.